What's happening? It's your boy Anthony Peso, one half of the Icebreakers, and back with another exciting instructional video. I want to give a big shout out to GRIDREADY for sending the product. We are going to do the installation of a steering wheel trim kit. It's the carbon accessory ring that goes in the centerpiece of the steering wheel on a 2016 Dodge Charger. So I just pretty much keep my workstation looking about the same. Particularly on this, we're not going to necessarily have to use water or cleaning solution. I have this just here anyways, just in case. So anyways, this is the product box that it came in. They always send you a free gift, how to get a free gift for being a new customer. And always remember, for a 10% discount, next order, gridready.com/grid-discount. And here are the product right here. So again, this is the ring that's going to replace on the horn area of the steering wheel. It's going to take off that trim. We're going to put new trim on it, and these are for the Dodge, basically Dodge logo that's right there. And this particular product, let's go ahead and look at this again, can be installed on the 2015-2020 Dodge Challenger, 2015-2020 Dodge Charger, and the 2014 through 2020 Dodge Durango. So tips and tricks suggest flathead screwdriver or trim removal kit. So if you're wondering if I just have one of these just laying around here, I actually do. I'm surprised, but this actually came out of my Mac repair toolkit. So people that work on Apple computers or things like that, or even cell phones, these are useful tools, as you do know. They don't damage what you're trying to take off, and they make it so you can reapply it so it's not broken. So that's what I got, and these scissors are just hanging out here, sorry. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at what we're looking at. All right, here we go. So this is the piece that we're going to be replacing. We're going to take this off utilizing the screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, or the trim removal kit, and we're going to pop this off as well utilizing the same thing. So that's what we're working with. All right, product, tools, I think that's all we're going to need, so let's walk it. Sweet. All right, so I'm gonna pop this off. Oh, it's actually, so this trim is actually like rubber. Let's see. Oh. Oh. Neighbor's gonna come out. Right here, you see that? So it's not like it just comes off. Let me see. I got it. Insurance, FYI. Commercial. Damn, she was like, "Fuck insurance, boy, boy." Right? No, you ain't. Okay, so now we know what those are. just gonna snip them because they just go back in anyway. So I got some scissors. Okay, we're gonna. This right here just pops back in there anyways, and it's gonna lay flat over all these holes here. So that's the scissor part isn't gonna be a big deal. Okay. So let's see. So I'm just taking scissors and I'm cutting as high as I can in there. Okay. This is the 2015 Charger. Now it's like getting easier, which is weird. Come on, I'm not even pushing it, I'm pulling it. I'm gonna leave all the honking in the video. There's another way to do it, which is like disconnecting the battery, I'm sure, but I'm not messing around with that. Glad you're enjoying it. Better grip on this. All right. Done. Got it. This one is harder to get under. All right, got the Dodge badge off. Got the trim off. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Mask on, mask off. Mask on, mask off. All right, next, I'm gonna go ahead and take these gloves off since now I don't have a possibility of cutting myself again. So what I utilized, I'll tell you what made this life easy, okay? This is what's going to make your life easy with this installation. All right, it's not obvious how they put these trim pieces on. Okay, so this behind the trim is this. So this is the actual piece that holds this in there. So I went ahead and snipped the remaining of these because it was just going to be loud for the neighbors. The horn was blaring and all that stuff. So if you're handy, I would suggest, okay, I'm just saying this is a suggestion, is disconnecting your battery power, something like that, so that you're not blowing your horn every 10 seconds, 5 seconds, and disrupting your neighbors. But you know, so I lifted it, and as I could lift it, I lifted it as far as I could, and I just snipped as high as I could, close to I could, to the steering wheel. That's how this piece came off. Now the other piece was easier to get off, but however, it was just hard getting something wedged in between basically the steering wheel and the badge. So I went with a smaller screwdriver. Okay, got it in there, got it lifted, put, as y'all saw in the video, damn near 3 pieces in here. Okay, like that, and then I just simply went along, pop, 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 and it came right off. So the badge was a lot easier than the trim. All right, so now let's go ahead and do the fun part that y'all are waiting for, and that's just installing the correct one. So we'll find the piece that fits, and it's actually going to be the top part is going to be our badge. So here we go. Let's go ahead and do the relay the badge first, just because it was so playing good with us. All right, we'll just set this in here. Oh man, that is clean. Oh man, I want to do this to mine instead. That's clean. All right, boom. It's this piece right here. I'm going from the bottom just because that's where like the major curvature is. There it is. Just follow the trim piece, set it in there. Set her on in there. There you go. Yeah. So you could actually install this on top of the existing trim, but damn it, it's suggested to actually do it. There we go. So what I'm doing is I'm using the pressure of my fingers and nails to make sure that the inner bead pops around this steering wheel here, or the yeah, and it just sets in. It's not going to come off. It is nice and clean. Just double checking everything's sitting good. Yeah. Nice. That looks badass. Cool. All right, there's the final product right there. Bam. So if you like the video, you like what you see, hit a like, hit a subscribe, make sure you share. And so let's go ahead and do a brief overview of the GRIDREADY install and how it went today. So we did a 2016 Dodge Charger. We did the tail lights on it, and we also did the interior steering wheel trim. So let's see what we got going on here. Woo. Yeah. There it is. All right, y'all. All right, it's your boy Peso. Gone.